Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video, skin install for my OnePlus 10 Pro. Huge shout out, Extreme Skins, precision style and protection. Now in this video, we're going to be using a rubbery mat to hold my OnePlus 10 Pro in place. Got the blow dryer, which you're going to need to move around a lot to warm up the back of the skin, which has adhesive, and that adhesive is going to warm up and stick to the back of the OnePlus 10 Pro. And we do have a camera skin as well. You just got to be very careful when using a blow dryer. It's just, you got to constantly move it around, never letting it sit in one place, because yeah, you can damage the skin, but more importantly, you'll damage your smartphone. I just want to thank Extreme Skins for giving me the opportunity to represent. They sent me a couple different skins here. We got a matte orange skin, which I'll pull out right now. There's the camera error right there, and then we have this white wave form skin. That's what that's called, because you can see those little waves there in the back of that skin, and the camera skin as well. And what else do we got going on here? Got your alcohol prep wipe. And right here we have a matte red camera skin and a white matte, which is different from the waveform. You can see that right there, the different texture. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the orange matte with the white waveform camera skin. So I'm going to mix it up, and I really appreciate Extreme Skins giving me a couple different skins to play with here.
Thank you for your order. You are awesome. Again, I did not order this skin. They sent it to me to share their beautiful, bold, sexy skins here on Team My Project 13. Yeah, they got a lot of skins for a lot of different smartphones. But I mean, you just have to go over to their website, which I'll leave a link down below in the description area. I'll leave all the information you need to know down there. But check out their catalog of skins for a lot of different tech products. For the perfect fit, all you need to do is go to extremeskins.co.uk and select your skin via the Install Videos drop-down menu, or you can go straight to our YouTube page, and you can see all the information there. Apply your skin and share it with us using the hashtag #ExtremeSkinners. Got Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and you have an email address there as well. If you have any problem with your order, please contact the team via email, quoting your order number. Very nice. Totally digging it. Totally digging it.
So I do have my OnePlus 10 Pro turned off because it's going to be a lot easier to work with. So what I'm going to do is place this on the rubbery mat, and it's going to help it stay in place better than if I had it on my desk. It's a lot slippier that way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is play some music. I'm going to do a little bit of a close-up on my OnePlus 10 Pro as I'm applying the skin. I do have a glass camera protector, which I'm going to remove, because when I apply skin, that's going to give it plenty of protection. At least for me, I know that I'm not going to have each camera covered up with the camera skin like I do right now with that camera glass protector, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm okay with that. So anyway, let's go ahead and get the music going and start the process, and then we'll get a good look at what I'm putting together here as far as the two different skins, what it's going to look like on my OnePlus 10 Pro. What really helps with the skin sticking to the back of a smartphone is a clear case. The pressure of the case itself is going to push up against that skin, which helps that sticking process. Obviously a clear case allows you to see the skin itself, and you can show that off. It's a 2-in-1. You can't lose. So that's something that you can consider. I have my UAG case here, the Plasma Series case. It's not completely clear. Got a little bit of the clear areas right in there, and then we got that honeycomb frost area on the inside of the case. But if I put that on, that's what you're gonna see there. Isn't that nice? That's really nice. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit, so I went ahead and just put on the Poetic Guardian case on my OnePlus 10 Pro with the clear back here, so you can see that matte orange skin, and you can see the white waveform camera skin together as one. We're going to call that combo the Dreamsicle. You know what I'm talking about, right? Orange sherbet, white vanilla. Man, now I want a bowl of that. And yeah, that looks tasty. That looks really tasty. Great case, lots of protection. I do have a review video up on the Poetic Guardian and the Poetic Revolution. I will leave a link down below in the description area. Both cases in one video. But yeah, that clear back, allowing you and I to see that bold skin there and there. Two different skins, two different textures coming together. We got the Dreamsicle. So whether it's the UAG Plasma, which you're still going to be able to see that skin, or this case, or many other clear cases, whatever it is that you want to use and bring in, but the case itself on the back here is going to put pressure on that skin, help it to stick to the back. With this cutout here, I'm not going to have any issues damaging up my waveform white skin there over the camera area, so I can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. Just looks good all the way around. Extreme Skins, thank you so much. Appreciate your support. More coming your way from Extreme Skins down the road. But for now, hopefully you enjoyed the install. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. All the information that I shared with you as far as purchasing the Extreme Skins down below in the description area, just under 9 smacks, up to about 2 weeks for delivery, because again, it's coming out of the UK. So be patient, and when you're doing the install, be very patient. Enjoy the process, don't rush it. And with that, God bless. Peace. I am out.